The Colorado Supreme Court ruled Tuesday that President Donald Trump isn't eligible to run for president next year because of his role in the January 6th insurrection. So we spoke to both constitutional and legal experts for their take on what this means for the former president. In a 4-3 decision, the Colorado Supreme Court made history, ruling that former President Donald Trump is disqualified from being president again, removing him from the state's presidential primary ballot. The court cited Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which says office holders are ineligible to run again if they took an oath to support the Constitution, then engaged in insurrection or rebellion, citing Trump's behavior leading up to January 6th, 2021.
Really rallied the forces to stop the steal and to come to D.C. 12 times saying, come to D.C. on January 6th. It will be wild.
Nancy Marcus, an associate professor of law at California Western School of Law, says this ruling is not only historic, but could lead other states to rule in similar ways.
It doesn't have any binding force. Other courts aren't going to necessarily be bound by it. They can certainly use it as guidance in coming to the same kind of conclusion.
Former President Trump plans on appealing the ruling, and in a statement, his attorney called it a completely flawed decision.
So their argument will basically be that the Colorado Supreme Court is not correctly interpreting the 14th Amendment of the Constitution.
So what does this mean for Trump politically? Thad Kauser, a political science professor at UC San Diego, says history shows it will help, not hurt him.
What we've seen time and time again with Donald Trump is that being called into court has helped him in the court of public opinion with his Republican base.
The case now moves up to the U.S. Supreme Court. Well, they will decide if Trump can stay in the presidential race. Now, the court stayed its decision until January 4th or until the U.S. Supreme Court rules on the case. That means the state's ruling is essentially paused, so it doesn't go into effect during the appeal or at all if the Supreme Court disagrees with Colorado's decision. In studio, Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.